not all toilets are created equal, right? Not all low flow toilets are created equal.
Talk to us about Niagara Stealth 0.8 GPF. I do my research, man. I do. I saw your stuff. What is that? The most efficient toilet in the industry? Tell the people.
Yes. So, not all toilets are created equal, right? Not all low flow toilets are created equal. So the beauty of the Niagara Stealth toilet, and we've exclusively partnered up with them, is it's only a 0.8 gallons per flush toilet, right? Typically what you see on properties right now is at least a 1.6. If it's 60s, 70s, 80s older and no toilets have been fixed, you're looking at a 3.5 gallon per flush toilet to a 5 gallon per flush toilet. So it's a huge reduction, right? The beauty of what Niagara has done is they re-engineered the toilet. They didn't just make the tank smaller so that it uses less water. They actually re-engineered the toilet so that even with a 0.8 gallon per flush, that 0.8 gallons is really just rinsing the bowl. It's the technology inside that's really pushing all that waste down the line. One thing I wanted to emphasize too is that it has one of the furthest line carries in the industry.
What does that mean?
What I mean by that is the point of flushing that toilet is to get the waste out of the bowl.
Out of sight, out of mind. Get it out of there.
Through the sewage system, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And out of your property. So that's what that line carry means, right? So it has one of the furthest line carries, even with only using 0.8 gallons of water. The other cool thing is it doesn't have a flapper, right? Almost all the toilets out there have flappers. This one doesn't have a flapper. So, you don't have that leak that takes place because that flapper starts getting faulty after 1 to 2 years.